Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to fix the issue where our Wi-Fi is not being connected on our Android device. If you're having a Wi-Fi connection problem, you may try out the solutions for that. We can start by a simple restart on our phone. So you can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and tap on it. A simple restart should fix many temporary glitches. Also, you can just go over and look out for the Wi-Fi. You can access it through your quick settings panel or your own settings. You can turn it off and you can wait for a while and turn it back on again, and that should also work. Also, ensure the airplane mode, the flight mode in your device is turned off. So if this option right here is not turned off, that will disable all the wireless connections. So make sure this option is turned off right here, and then you can try connecting to your Wi-Fi once again. If that does not work, you can just go over and reset your network settings. So for that, you need to go to your devices settings. And once you go to your devices settings, you can just go over and go to the search and search for reset. And once you search for reset, you can look out for the reset network settings. Tap on it, and within reset network settings, just go over and tap on reset network settings and confirm it up. And once you confirm it up, that will erase all the saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth pairings, and cellular settings. You just need to head over to the Wi-Fi section once again once you complete that process and then connect to a Wi-Fi that is stable and is working properly. Also check your router settings and also restart your router if that does not work, and ensure your phone's software is also up to date. So for that also you need to head over to your devices settings and tap on it. And once you head over there, scroll down, look out for the software update and tap on it. And then ensure your software is up to date. You can just go over and download and install the latest version to not have the connectivity issues. And that's it, everyone. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up if you would like to fix such issues. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.